Hey, I'm Harry from Umbra and I'm here today with Mark from Ivory Egg on the KNX stand. Okay, so here we are at the KNX stand. So KNX is the sponsor of ISE. So obviously we're in Europe, so KNX is huge. So here we have enormous stand. This wall is pretty cool because this shows all of the KNX manufacturers, and there are literally hundreds, 8,000 plus certified devices. I mean, look at that wall, it's insane. This is why KNX is huge, and it's also why Umbra shades also integrate so well with KNX, and we can talk more about that later. Mark, give me just a little snippet about why KNX.
So KNX is infrastructure you can install in a building, allowing products from different manufacturers to control lighting, HVAC, shading. The real difference from other systems is you're installing a system that is there for the lifetime of the building, and it doesn't matter which products you use on it, you can change them. So you're not locked into a single solution. It's far more flexible, can be used for residential, commercial. It's a different approach to building control because you're disconnecting the way the system works from the actual products in the system.
How old is KNX? Because it's like there's a lot of like new tech around, but we're like KNX is established, right?
Yeah, KNX started over 30 years ago, and it's a standardized system, so it's actually written in as an ISO standard. It's developed over time and it's improved. There's now things like the IP layers and KNX Secure, which is a more recent development on it, but fundamentally KNX hasn't changed. So you could go back to a project that's 20 years, 30 years old. You would need to update the products, of course, but the system's still the same, the system's still going to work.
And obviously, I'm interested in blinds, so from a blinds perspective, they're just one of the like thousands of products that you can integrate with KNX, right?
Absolutely, and that's where KNX is really strong because you're able to use the information from different parts of the system. For example, a motion sensor that's used to control the lighting, we could also use that to determine the lux level to adjust the blinds, or the temperature to close the blinds when you're not at home to stop solar gain, so you don't have to use as much energy to cool the house. So by using KNX, you're able to cross different functionality. Shading is one of the key control points in the house, and by bringing it into a system that can treat the whole building as a whole, it really does enable the kind of the power of automation.
That's awesome. And so Ivory Egg, we should just say that you obviously distribute KNX products, and so obviously we know you in the UK, but it's worldwide?
Yeah, so Ivory Egg, we've got companies in Australia, New Zealand and the UK where we distribute KNX products. We do a huge amount of training. We've just launched our new training platform, which gives you...
Which you can see behind him. He's showing off.
Which gives you a kind of a map to KNX. You've got the training which is based around the engineering, which is the basic course. We've developed a training which teaches you how to use KNX, how to use it on a project, how to sell it, how to design systems.
And I actually did the first module, and it was really helpful, so little plug for Ivory Egg's KNX training. So thank you very much, Mark. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you follow us, because we'll be keeping you updated throughout the day. Many thanks. This is just a quick one for my electrician friends. When I ask you for KNX cable, this is what I'm talking about. I don't want Cat 6. I don't want any other data cables. I don't want to be told that it's just transmitting a signal. I want KNX cable when it's specified on the wiring diagram. It's really important. This shows exactly what it is. And please, when we ask you for it, please put it in. Wherever you're watching this, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can keep updated on the latest coming to you from ISE.